Is your Mazda flip key unresponsive? A dead battery is the likely culprit. This guide covers Mazda CX-7, CX-9, Mazda 6, Mazda 5, Mazda 3, Mazda 2, and RX-8 models. You'll typically need a CR2025 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Some RX-8s use CR2032. Price increases put these around $5 to $7 a pair. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool and your new battery. Work on a clean, static-free surface. Gently pry open the key casing. The seam is usually along the sides, CX-7, CX-9. RX-8 keys may need twisting or a small Phillips screwdriver. Carefully remove the old battery, noting its orientation plus side up. Install the new battery the same way. Snap the casing back together and test all buttons. If it doesn't work, you may need dealer reprogramming. Always handle lithium batteries with care. They can overheat if short-circuited. Dispose of old batteries properly at recycling centers. Avoid touching battery contacts to prevent corrosion. Premium batteries will last longer and ensure proper functioning. Be aware that DIY battery swaps can sometimes disrupt key programming. If your key stops working after the battery change, professional reprogramming at a dealership may be required, costing $50 to $100. Consider a spare programmed key to avoid lockout situations. As a precaution, it may be beneficial to test everything before closing the case.